Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing very well. Welcome to the training session series conducted by the Deanship of eLearning and IT and myself, Rima Shaheen. Today we do have a very interesting topic, and this is just directly related to the faculty members and educators. The topic is empowering educators, elevating the higher education with enhanced e-learning practices. In today's fast-paced world, higher education institutions find themselves at the intersection of the traditional education and the cutting-edge technology. The integration of e-learning into higher education has transformed the way students access knowledge and engage with course material. As this digital revolution continues to reshape the educational landscape, faculty members play a vital role in ensuring its success. To navigate this evolving terrain and deliver the effective learning experiences, educators require not only a deep understanding of their subject matter, but also proficiency in the strategy and tools that make e-learning practices successful. In this exploration of the empowering educators, elevating the higher education with enhanced e-learning practices, we dive into the essential component of the educators' training that empower them to excel in the digital realm of the higher education. From the pedagogical shift to technical proficiencies, this discussion uncovered the keys to harness of the full potential of e-learning for both educators and students, for sure. Designing and implementing effective e-learning programs require a thoroughly just understanding of your audience, engaging and interactive content, assessments and feedback, a user-friendly interface, communication and collaboration, flexibility, and regular evaluation and improvements. By following these best practices, you can create e-learning programs that are effective and efficient and that meet the unique need of your students. So now the question, which are these kind of different e-learning practices? Educator can implement various e-learning practices to enhance the effectiveness of online teaching and improve the learning experience for their students. So here are some key e-learning practices I just mentioned here for the educators. Let's have a look about one by one. I just explain about this. That clear learning objective, first of all. Start by defining clear learning objectives for each lesson or module. Ensure that students understand what they are expected to learn and achieve. If I'm going to talk about the engaging content, then you have to create engaging and interactive content, including multimedia elements like videos, animations, quizzes, simulations. Keep the content visually appealing or relevant to the subject matter. And the third thing is user-friendly learning management system. This one is the easy for the students to navigate, provide clear instruction on how to access course material and assessments and assignments. And if I'm talk about the structured course design, organize your course content in a logical and structured manner. Use headings, bullet points, subheadings to make content scannable and digestible. Synchronous and asynchronous activities, balance synchronous and asynchronous activities to accommodate different learning style and time zone. And multimodal instructions, use a combination of instructions methods such as lectures, discussions, group activities, hands-on projects to cater to diverse learning preferences. If I'm talking about the self-paced learning, offer self-paced learning option for students who need flexibility in their schedules, record lectures, provide download resources. And now I'm going to talk about some professional development. Stay updated on e-learning trends, technologies, best practices through continuous professional development. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences related to the online education. By implementing these e-learning practices, educator can create a more engaged, effective, and inclusive online learning experience for their students. These 7 points are not just these are just 7 casual lines. I will go up from start to on one complete structure for you today. We will discuss that which e-learning practices are important for the students, and then why educator needs to implement these e-learning practices for the students. What are the benefits for the educators? Why they put their effort to make the content like interactive, the videos, animation, use technology. Before technology also there is education and everything, but why we do need to these technologies? There is an answer in the end of this session. I'm sure you will get all the answers. This session is not just related to the student and not just related to the how you will be able to create a content interactive and engaging for the student. I'm going to tell you today how you will be able to do your professional development with e-learning practices, and how these e-learning practices in your classroom, online or offline, will help you to get something for yourself as educator. So stay connected with me and be focused on throughout all the session. You will get much more things which is related to the educator to improve your skills, to improve and give different add-ons with your already you are experienced and you have your just a professional life and something, but I'm giving you today something which will give you one extra aid and your extra development tips and different things you will be able to improve your skills. Okay, let's start. Educator trainings for the e-learning practices. Faculty training in just applying the e-learning practices for higher education is essential to delivering effective online courses, and also some of the technology merged with the traditional classroom as well. As e-learning continues to grow in popularity, educators must adapt and develop strategies to ensure their courses are engaging, informative, and accessible. I'm going to list up some of the different here are some different points which are needed for the educators for e-learning practices. First of all, understanding the e-learning pedagogy. Start with the basics. Ensure that faculty members understand the fundamentals of e-learning, including the difference between online and traditional teaching methods. Encourage them to explore the principle of online course design, such as alignment of the learning objectives, assessments, and instructional materials. And the second thing is a technical proficiency. Provide comprehensive training on the use of the learning management system and any other relevant technology tools. Ensure faculty members are proficient in the creating, uploading content, setting up discussion forums, and managing grades online. And the third thing is online course design. We are here to giving you an idea about how you will be able to create the online courses design that are engaging and interactive. Emphasize the importance of clear objective multimedia content and interactive assessments. So you need to be focused on that, such as you have discussion boards, quizzes, virtual labs, and peer assessments. If I'm going to talk about something, accessibility and inclusivity, that is stress we should need to be stressed the importance of making e-learning courses accessible for all the students, include those with some disabilities, provide trainings or creating accessible content such as alt text for the images and the closed captioning for the videos. We should promote the awareness of inclusive teaching practices to ensure a diverse range of the learners can succeed. Let's talk about active learning strategies. We should, as an educator, know that how to engage the students actively in the online environment. This can include the group projects, the case studies, and the visual simulations. We need encouragement to use the synchronous, the real-time, and the asynchronous self-paced activities to cater the different learning preferences. And the feedback and assessment. Faculty must be able to get the feedback and assessments in the providing timely and constructive feedback to students, both on assignments and in a discussion. They should promote the use of authentic assessment that align with course objectives and real world applications as well. Time management and communication. As a faculty, you have to be develop a strategy to managing their time effectively in online teaching environment. And we should also emphasize the importance of clear communication with students, including setting expectations and providing regular updates. And the professional development. The professional development for faculty in eLearning. This could include attending the conferences, workshops, online courses on the best practices. And today, I will explain that how you will be able to just gain all these things easily, and you have how many different ways do you have to just improve your professional development. And also the quality insurance. Implement a review process for online course to ensure that they meet the quality standards, provide feedback and support to faculty members as they refine their courses. So yeah, we have to be a successful e-learning example with the institute to inspire others. And if I'm talking about the feedback loops, we should establish a mechanism for gathering feedback from the student regarding their e-learning experiences. And we have to use this feedback to make improvement and adjustment to the course design. Foster a culture of continuous improvement where faculty are open to feedback and eager to make enhancement. Faculty training or educator trainings in the e-learning practices is an ongoing process that requires dedication and support from the institute as well. And being a just educator, you do need to motivate by yourself to just understand these kind of things and implement in your classrooms. Even it's an online class or traditional classroom, you need to be motivate yourself to implement these kind of things for the students. So if as we are here to giving you a knowledge and awareness about the technology, so higher education institute should do these kind of things to equip their faculty members, what we are doing. But in your turn, that in your side, you need to be implement these things to make the total structure successful. Now the question is that how you will be able to use the integration of technology and how it will be able to support us in the e-learning practices. If I'm talking about the using technology integration to support the e-learning practices, there is some I just mentioned here, like the online learning platforms, some interactive learning materials, online assessments and feedback tools, virtual learning, and some augmented reality and virtual reality, different technology tools, softwares we can use, and mobile learning apps. These are some of the technology we can integrate in our study to make it more effective and more engaging for the students. If I'm talking about the online learning platform like learning management system, so we do already have a Blackboard with the number of different features, so we can use it, we can explore it. Other than Blackboard, we do have a learning management system, different like Udemy, Coursera, LearnDash. So these are the Moodle and these ThinkQuick. These are the different learning management system providing one complete structure for the students from A to Z, or all the features are related to the students' engagement, interactivity, discussion, assignments, lecture, these kind of things you can perform on it. And if I'm talking about the online assessment and feedback tools, these platforms, just like Google Forms, Quizlet, Adomo, allow educators to create and distribute assignments, quizzes, and survey online, and instant feedback enhance the learning process. And you can see here is the different software you can use, like Kahoot, Padlet, Edpuzzle, and different formative assessments tools are available here. So you can use, explore, and use in your classroom easily to make different kind of the quizzes and assessments to engage the students. And if I'm talking about something interactive learning material, I just line up some of the name. The first one is H5P. That is basically an open source platform that allows educator to create a wide range of interactive content, including the quizzes, presentations, interactive videos, and much more. And it's easy to use and integrate with your learning management system. And the second one is the Kahoot. Kahoot is just a game-based learning platform that allow educators to create and share interactive quizzes and surveys. It's a fun way to engage students and access their knowledge as well. So the third one is Quizlet. Quizlet is a free platform for creating flashcards, quizzes, and study sets. Educator can use it for to help students review and reinforce their learning very well. It's very interesting one. And if I'm talking about that Padlet is basically a digital canvas that enables collaborative brainstorming and sharing of ideas. So a student and also the educators can use it to create interactive boards with text, images, videos, and much more. And if I'm talking about the Peer Deck is basically an interactive presentation platform that integrates with the Google Slides. It enables educators to create engaging and interactive lessons with the real-time students' participation. So these are the different software. You just go and explore it, and you can integrate with your learning management system as well. And if you want to integrate with your Google Slides, you can use it very well. Okay, we have to talk about some virtual reality or augmented reality tools. I just listed up here some of the free virtual reality applications. You can just explore it, and we can just use free of cost. So first of all, that is the Google Expedition. So what is it? Basically, this is a free VR app that offers a library of virtual field trips and educational experiences. So teacher can guide students through the virtual journey, explaining concept and pointing out the interesting details. And Google Earth VR, it allows users to explore the world in the 3D virtual reality. It can be valuable tool for geography and earth science lessons. And if you're talking about the Vendor is a free VR app that is lets user explore the Google Street View in VR. It's useful for the virtual travel and geographical lessons. And Mars Trek provides a virtual exploration of the surface of Mars. It's a NASA app, and that can be used for the space and space sciences education. And Discovery VR, that is offer a variety of educational VR experiences, including the virtual visits to natural wonder and wildlife habitats. And YouTube VR app allow user to access the educational VR content on a wide range of topics. Many educational channels and creators offer VR experiences. And 360 Cities, that is a VR app that provide access to thousands of 360-degree photos from around the world, and making it a great resource for the geographical and cultural studies. Let's have a look some augmented reality apps. You can use different apps for the augmented reality. So the first one is Metaverse, is a free platform for creating and experience interactive AR lessons and activities, and teachers can design custom AR experience for their students. And the Google Lens, it's maybe familiar name with you. So Google Lens is an AR app that can identify objects, translate text, and provide information about landmarks, making it a handy tool for the various subjects. And the Starwalk 2. Starwalk 2 is an AR app that helps students explore the night sky. It provides information about some stars, planets related to this one. Student can use it. And Skyview is another AR app for just astronomy education, and it allows users to identify the star, planets, and these kind of objects. And Jigspace offers the interactive AR lessons on a wide range of topics from physics to history, and it's a great tool for visualizing complex concepts as well. And if you're talking about the Paint 3D, is just a free window app that includes AR mode, and it allows students to create and manipulate 3D objects, making it useful for art and design classes. So you can say that you have to remember that the availability of these apps may vary depending on the platform or devices being used in the classrooms. But additionally, it is important to ensure that these apps align with your specific educational goals, and you can just adjust in your lesson planning and in your classroom. You can use even in online classroom or even in the traditional classroom, you can use it. AI tools. AI tools nowadays are training tools. We do have a different AI tools which are connected with specifically for the education purpose, research purpose. So first of all, let's have a look how many we do have an AI tool which is directly connected with our education system. So I'm going to show you first of all the Google Bard, and then we will discuss about the chat GPT. These two are the basically chatbots which are so much useful for the educators, for the students, for the researchers. So let's have a look how we will be able to use and what are the features of these AI tools and how it's good for us.
Meet Bard, an early experiment by Google that lets you collaborate with generative AI. As we bring Bard to more people and places around the world, we'd like to share more about how we're building Bard responsibly, its limitations, how we manage your data, and how you can best use Bard as your creative and helpful collaborator. Bard is powered by a large language model. LLMs are pre-trained on a variety of data from publicly available sources, which allows them to pick up on patterns and predict the next probable words in a sequence. The same flexibility that lets LLMs be creative can also cause hallucinations, presenting inaccurate information. That's why we built the Google It button right into the experience, so you can double-check Bard's responses with relevant search queries. You can also give Bard's response a thumbs up or down, depending on the quality of the answer. To help make Bard a safe experience, Google uses classifiers for understanding both a user's prompt as well as Bard's outputs. For example, Bard has filters to help prevent hate speech in responses. Bard takes steps to handle your information responsibly. When you interact with Bard, Google collects data such as your conversations, location, feedback, and usage information. This helps us provide, improve, and develop our products, services, and machine learning technologies. But remember, you're in control of your Bard activity. You can always delete your Bard activity at any time by going to g.co/bard/myactivity. Human review is a necessary step in making BARD better. Through reviews, ratings, and rewrites, our trained reviewers strengthen BARD's responses and enable quality refinements, as well as make the experience safer and more helpful and responsive. We take a number of precautions to protect your privacy during the human review process. Conversations that are put in front of the reviewers are not associated with any user accounts. We pick a random sample for human review, and only a portion of total BARD conversations are reviewed. Conversations reviewed by our trained raters are stored for 36 months and decoupled from your account. What we covered in this video reflects how BARD currently works as of July 2023. We are actively adding to BARD's capabilities, and through ongoing research, testing, and user feedback, we'll continue to improve BARD together. To learn more about privacy and how BARD uses your data, visit the BARD Privacy Help Hub.
Okay, this is all about the technical features of BARD. I want to switch my screen to directly to the Chrome. I want to share some. Okay, I hope my screen is clear. Okay, here's the Google Bard, bard.google.com. So you have to log in by your Gmail account. After that, you will be able to see this kind of the screen. Here is the prompt. So you can what you can just do here, if you just read it here at my screen, that there is the variety of things, like if you want related to the any coding department, you can just do these kind of the things. If you want to create, revise my writing language study plan, and any kind of the email you want to be writing task, you can do. And if you want to explore anything, here is a different variety. You can do anything, but you have to know how to question. So I'm just giving you one example. I want to show up you all the feature of the BARD. Let's do one question.
It's 21 hours.
What is e-learning? I just asked what is e-learning. Let's have a look. So here's the answer. Here is the one complete answer. Okay, what next? I just got this answer. First of all, I do have 3 different drafts. If I'm not just satisfied by this answer and I just need another type of writing or some phrases and something, I can check the second draft. So I can see this one, and third draft like this. See, here's the variety of answer you got. After this, you can also have the opportunity for listen for the who have some disabilities and such kind of things. They can listen the answer, and if you scroll down, you can see here is the source also available where this content comes from, and here is the option of modify. I do have a different option. If you want the answer shorter, you just select this one, and longer it will be just update, and simpler and more casual or more professional. You do have a different varieties here to modify your answer. If I make it like a more professional, it will be rewrite again with the more professional way. See. And second thing is these are the different writing style, you can say, or answers format. And if I click on a share, you can share this, you can export to doc and draft in Gmail as well. And the one interesting thing is that if you double check this response, what now BARD will do, it will just analyze this answer and also compare with the Google. Okay, and also mark different content for example, it's marked here the green. So if I click here, it just giving me that website where he just grabbed this content. See, this line are just coming from this website, and just if I click in this website, I will be redirect to that website to get the source of that content. So this is very interesting thing, that it's also giving us a direction of the source, and where there's a no line, that means it's generated by the BARD. So you can find out if the highlighted part is the green, that means there is a link, and there is a link is provided, and but it's not necessary what BARD is to generate its response. And if there is a this color like orange, so it's mean there is a no link provided. Okay, so these are the meaning of these two highlighted kind of text. So if it's a green, so you can get the source of that content as well. So yeah, it's a free to use. You just log in by your Gmail account, and it's appear like you just open by bar.google.com and then sign in by your Gmail account. That's it, and then you will be able to use it, and you can use unlimited time, and you can just create unlimited chats here and prompts, new prompts, and it will be appear like this here. So you can use in your research, and you can see that the variety here, the search related topic. If you want to be searched by Google, so you can see what is the learning, what is the type of e-learning, what is the role of e-learning, giving you a more opportunities. So there's a variety of the features. You just need to know how to question the BARD. So it will be give you a one complete idea about the question, answer, and different. It's free from Google. It's not from the Jazan University. It's a free from Google. This is one of the product of the Google, and it's a free from Google. So you just bar.google.com and you can use it. So you can see there is a very variety. You can ask anything. You can give anything. You want to review your written content, you can also just write here the review, and just you paste your question here, and it will be reviewed. So for example, you want, so this is that is basically a chatbot from Google. So you can just easily use it. You just need to sign in with your Gmail account. That's it. So let's move toward the next chatbot. That is ChatGPT. Okay, now the next AI tool is ChatGPT. This is also a chatbot, and let's see how we will able to use it. And one more thing I want to mention here: Google Bard have access of internet, and they are connected with the internet. Anything which is indexed on a internet, which is indexed on a Google, so Google Bard have access of it. But the chatbot ChatGPT don't have access of internet. Any answer and anything is just they just grab from the stored knowledge of the artificial intelligence. They just stored that knowledge, and then they are just working on it and giving you an answer on behalf of that knowledge, which was updated on the last 21 September 2022. So let's have a look how we can use the ChatGPT.
Back in 2022, on the last day of November, ChatGPT was revealed to the world. In a matter of days, it became a viral sensation. But how did that happen? And exactly what is ChatGPT? OpenAI ChatGPT is a chatbot created as an advancement in the artificial intelligence industry. Behind its knowledge lies a massive amount of data, including books, articles, and web pages. ChatGPT doesn't just store all this data, it analyzes it. Basically, it thinks and acts like a human. It can understand various requests, effectively communicate in 90 different languages, and even recall details of an ongoing conversation. And then
Not this one. ChatGPT can also respond you in the 19 different languages. You can just ask even in a Roman English. It's understandable with the ChatGPT. In Arabic, in Urdu, and different languages, different 19 languages. Yeah, the difference. There is no difference between the ChatGPT and Bard. Is also both are the chatbot. Okay, but Bard have some features which is related to different features like have access to the internet, and chat gpt don't have access to the internet. Both are act like a chatbot and giving you answers, but the difference between both are simple, that chat gpt don't have access to the internet. It's giving you an answer on the behalf of the stored knowledge, and the Google Bard is giving you information with the two categories, like with his stored knowledge plus the access the internet. So from the different website, grab the knowledge and showing you up. That is the basically difference. Okay, let me show you what is the meaning of the chat. What is the meaning of access the internet? Let me show. Okay, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute to open up for you what is the meaning of the internet. Okay, you can see the my screen here. How you will be able to open the chat GPT, that is a chat.openai.com, and you will be sign up by your email id and password. Then you will be able to open this kind of dashboard. This is a chat GPT. You just create a new chat, and I just ask a question: do you have access of internet? So there is an answer: no, I don't have a direct access of internet. My knowledge is based on the text and information that was available up to my last training data in September 2021. I cannot browse the internet, access current websites, and retrieve information from the source beyond the data. And if you have any question or need information based on it, what I have trained, feel free to ask. Okay, what does it mean? Until the 2021 September, for the chat GPT, they trained and they just stored the knowledge and data. So if I ask any question, for example, I just ask the same question to chat GPT. Let's see how it's giving us answer. So this answer is based on the stored information in that artificial intelligence tool. So this is artificial intelligence tool which behave like same like the human. They just store the information and giving you answer on behalf of the stored knowledge. So it does not have any direct access to internet. But if I'm talking about the Bard, so Bard do have a direct internet access. They can explore the websites which are indexed in the Google. Yes, both are the free. Both are the free. You just sign up by your email ID, simple email ID, a Gmail or Yahoo email ID, and you can use it for your research, for your work, for your question, assignment, rewrite any, if you want to rewrite anything, if you want to give a just suggestion from the chat gpt or a bar, you can just find a different ideas, you can explore it, you will find that amazing tool. No, there is no limitation of the per question. You can use unlimited, and both are the free. You just need to be sign up with your simple email ID. So you can see here, here is the answer. So here's a no much feature with the chat gpt. You just copy this answer. There's a no draft, there's a no variety of different question answers and these kind of things. The just difference between both are acting like same. The both purpose and the structure is the same, but there is some more feature in the Google Bard. Understandable? Good. let's move forward.
Runs past the competing tools by being accessible for free. There are thousands of examples of how to use ChatGPT already. You can make it write a cover letter for a new job, ask for an essay, give it a math problem. You can give ChatGPT a snippet of programming code to fix, and it will find the issue. Besides technical questions, you can go the creative route too and request a poem in the style of Shakespeare. ChatGPT will come up with perfectly rhyming lines. So, what if you ask it to come up with a way to hack a website? It will say no. But here's the issue. While
See, if you are giving any command which is not legal, so it will giving you unanswered no, that it's unethical things will not be done by the ChatGPT or any chatbot, but just the things which is related to the legal ways, like the research, like the educational purpose, you can use it and you just get the answer very quickly. So
decline harmful back in 2020.
These are all about the things which is related to the chatbot, and you have to use it, just simple sign up and you can use, and for your study purpose, for your making assignments, things and lesson plans and these kind of things. You just explore it, you will find numerous things that will help you in your education and in your teaching purpose. These are all kind of things. Now my next wonderful thing which you will like, that is the educational for the educator, the professional development. I'm very much excited to share this to you all, that today I'm going to tell you how you will be able to develop your professional teaching journey by the certifications. Certifications are basically, I'm going to discuss, are just offered by the Google itself and the Microsoft. So these are the two companies, as we know that the Google and the Microsoft. So we do have a different number of the different certification, and there is a different ways how you will be able to enroll and how you will be able to improve your teaching journey. And if you want to be improved and get the certification properly by the Google or the Microsoft, so you will be able to get. How you will be able to get, I will explain. But before going toward that, I want to show how many different type of certification we do have. So Microsoft certification for the educators, let's have a look. There's several free certifications, free certification options for the educators and professionals that can empower them to improve professionally and enhance their digital skill. I just in the start, I just do one question, that why you need to put effort in the technology to integrate with your education, why you need to be giving students such kind of environment which is related to the technology. Yes, this is a true thing, this is a need of a time, but how these all things will be beneficial for you as educator. Now it's a time of question of that answer, that question, that how you will be able to get the benefited by these kind of technologies implemented in your classroom for the students, and how you will be able to get the reward of that. So if you use such kind of technology in classrooms and just for the students, then you will be eligible for the one program and certification, which I will give you explanation practically how you will be able to get the reward. But before that, I want to show you a different Microsoft certification for educators. This certification can be valuable for educator in a various roles. So here I just line up some. So first of all, that is a Microsoft certified educator. The MCE certification is specifically designed for educator, and it's validate the skills needed to effectively integrate technology into teaching and learning. Microsoft provides free online course and resource to prepare for this certification. And Microsoft Office Specialist. This certification covers proficiency in Microsoft Office applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. And the Microsoft offer free training materials and practice exam to help you prepare for MOS certification. And Microsoft certified like Azure Fundamentals. It's a Microsoft Cloud's computing platform. This certificate is ideal for educators who are interested in the cloud technology. Microsoft provides free resources and courses to prepare for this entry-level certification. And Microsoft certified the Power Platform fundamentals. The Power Platform is a suite for tools for creating a custom apps, automating workflow, and analyzing data. The certification can be valuable for educators who are interested in data analysis and the app development. Microsoft offered the free learning path for this certification. And if we are talking about AI fundamentals and for educators interested in the artificial intelligence and machine learning, so this certification provides a basic understanding of AI concepts. Microsoft offers the free learning path for this certification. And very much interesting, the Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn is a free interactive learning platform that offers a wide range of courses and resources on Microsoft technologies. Educators can explore various topics and earn badges to showcase their skills. Let's move toward to know about the Microsoft Learn more. Okay, what is the Microsoft Learn? Basically, Microsoft Learn is a program, or you can see here is the website learn.microsoft.com. Here is the opportunity for the educators that they can get the different kind of certifications, like for the professional development, for the product guides, for the instructor material, educator programs. So there is a different educator programs. I just open up this educator program that is a Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert. What they are offering for the educator, if they use any kind of the technology in their classroom, if they use any kind of technology and innovation for the students, and use the just technology integration with the syllabus or with the course to make a something innovative thing, so they will be eligible to join the program. Every year they just offer this program to the educators that they just follow all the instructions, and they just nominate themselves, and they will be selected for the different kind of events, conferences of the conducted by the Microsoft itself through all over the world. So if you want to prepare yourself for this program, you just click here, the prepare yourself, and you will find out all the instruction how you will be able to prepare yourself for this program nomination. You can see, you can find out all the details here, and it's just happen once in a year. It will be again appear in just May of 2024 to June 2024. So there's an announcement from the Microsoft. You have to be connected and updated with these kind of the websites to get the latest updates. And if you want to nominate yourself, when you prepare yourself, you will be able to just fulfill all these instructions. You have to read it down and follow up. And then when you nominate yourself, you will be just redirect to this page, and you will be follow up all these things. You will be register or sign in, and then you will nominate yourself for this program. So last it was happened in June 26, 2023, and then it will be happen the next year. So you can read it out, all these things. This is so interesting for the educators that you can nominate yourself if you use the such kind of e-learning practices in your classroom. So you do have evidence, you do have proofs, so you can attach, you can create a presentation of your all activities which you've done with the students, and then you will be able to nominate yourself in this program free of cost. Isn't it interesting or not? You can further explore this. I just copy this link to you. Okay, now let's move toward some certifications which is offered by the Google. Okay, these are the some certification which is offered by the Google. So Google offered the several free certifications. for the educator and professionals to empower them and improve their digital skills. These certification can be valuable for educator in various roles. So I just line up some of the certification here, like the Google Certified Educator Level 1. This certification is designed for educator who want to demonstrate their proficiency in using Google Workplace for education tools such as Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Gmail, Google Classroom, and it accesses your ability and effectively integrate technology into the classroom. Google provides free training and material and resources to help you to prepare for this certification. And the second thing is for the level 2, that is a building on level 1 certification, and then level 2 certification deeper into the Google Workplace. And in such an area like the data analysis and instructional design, and Google offer the free training for this to material to prepare yourself for this certification. And the final, the certified trainer, Google Certified Trainer. This certification is for the educator who want to become a official trainer for Google Workplace for education, and it requires to hold the level 1 and level 2 certification and complete additional requirements, including training others. So Google provides resources and guidance to on this certification process. And if you are talking about Google Certified Innovator, the Google Certified Innovator program is for educator who wants to lead the innovation in education. It's not a traditional certification, but a competitive program that invite educator to submit innovative project and solutions. If acceptable, you become a part of the Google Innovator community. So the next one is Google Certified Administrator. So this one is the ideal for the educators in IT and administrative role who manage the Google Workplace for education domains. It focuses on domain management, security, and best practices. While the certification itself isn't free, but the Google provide a free study guide and resources. It will give you a complete free study guides and resources, and then you will be just pay for the exam to get the certification. And the Google Cloud Fundamentals offer a free course and certification that cover fundamental Google computing concepts and the Google Cloud Platform services. And while not specific to education, these certifications can be useful for educator interested in the Google technology. So you can see there is a number of different certification. You just follow the different things, and you can just add on in your certification list that you have a certification from the Google. So I just want to show you up some more things related to these kind of certification. Let me share the screen. Okay, my Chrome screen is appear to you. Yes. Okay, you can see there here is a link that is a grow.google.com. You just type here the grow.google.com. You will be redirected to this website. As we are just logged in by the Saudi Arabia, so it's appearing like this. I just here you can see the Arabic. You can change the language as well to the English. So you will be able to see this kind of dashboard. Here is the professional certification from Google. You just click on the view certificates. You will be redirected to this website, that is a coursera.org. I want to mention that Coursera is a one learning management platform. That this is a different there's a self-paced courses available on the Coursera, so it's connected with the Google, so you can find out the certification content here by Google. It's you can just click on the enroll. Here is a variety of things available here. So if you just need to be sign up with the Google and with your email ID and password, the simple email ID, the Yahoo email ID or a Gmail ID. You can just sign in and then you will be able to get this kind of dashboard. Here's my name and all the stuff is here. If I click on explore, what I do have take a free course, earn a degree. Here's the different subjects. I can select my subject, for example, and I can see the different certifications here, like certificate programs. See the different certificate programs, and if I see view all certificates. Okay, there is one thing. There is some of the free certification programs. There's some programs, free resources, but if you want to get the certificate, you need to pay. You will get all the content and the resources free, but when you need a certification of that course, you need to pay, and then you will be able to give the exam, and then you will be able to get the certificates. But there's a lot of free courses available. Take a free courses, so you just take a different free courses powered by the Google, and you will get the certification of that courses as well, just from the Google. So and one more additional thing I want to share with you. For example, I just want to enroll in one of the certification, like this one. For example, I want to enroll. It's one opportunity from the Google that if you want to get the financial aid, so some most of the courses available, the financial aid available. So as I open this one, and if I enroll for free, it's giving me a 7-day trial for the free course. I just click this one. Okay, I already applied for this course, the financial aid, so that's why it's giving me this prompt that you already enrolled to this course and apply for the financial aid. I want to show you up how you will be able to apply for the financial aid that is connected with this. I just click on it. Okay, and let me enroll the another one because it's already enrolled. So I want to be, for example, this one. I just click this data analytics, enroll, and I'm going to apply for the financial aid from the Google. For this one, you do have a one strong reason giving to them why you need to be a financial aid for this course. So I just click on this one. Okay. Click on next. Continue the application. So here you will put all of your information here, and the purpose why you want to apply for this course as a financial aid. I just put here some of which is just dummy data. So I just, for example, click, and then you need to be right here the response what you will be get after you select this word will help you to get your goals. You need to write the 150 words, exactly 150 words you need to write down here. If you want to write and then count your words, how you count your words, that is a wordcounter.net. This is a website. You just put your text here, and it will just giving you idea that how many words you write down here. You just write it down the 150 words, and then check all these things and check that I'm not a robot. Here you will write this statement like this, and then you will click on a review after completing this complete form. I don't want to be registered this one, so I am not applying this one. So just click review, then it will be reviewed within the 7 days, and you will get the notification by your email. So then you can just maybe it's accept. If there is a valid reason and they accept the reason, you will get the opportunity, the financial aid, and you will get that paid course free. So this was a one tip I want to show. So if I'm going to the my purchase, then you can find out here the financial aid. all the application will be appear here. See, I just apply this for the for the example as the dummy data. So this is the price of that certification, and I just apply and process this one. So it's giving me a time of the 17th October. They will answer me for this. So this is a one tip for who wants to just join the courses, and they also want some financial aid on it. If it's a paid or it's a highly paid course, so you can apply this tip. So hope I explain the things which is related to you as an educator, and it will be very helpful for you if you explore and if you implement it. Otherwise, it's not benefited to you, because if you not explore or just implement, it is just waste of time. I just need now last words from you. What you think these kind of certifications and tools, still what you think that these kind of certifications and tools are good for your journey or not as educator? Sorry, it's in Arabic. Can you type in English? Thank you. If you have any question and you want me to repeat anything, please tell me.